Alright, playback. Playback works in the same logic. You start from the left and then move toward the right. Starting by choosing the camera, the date. Once you do that, it's going to bring up the time bar, and then on the time bar you're going to select the time. Once you do that, it's going to bring up the playback, and then you can skip to 10 seconds before, pause the video, skip to the next frame, or skip to the next 10 seconds. You can fast forward, or you can slow down the playback, change the volume of the playback, take a snapshot, or save as a bookmark. Now in playback, usually you're going to look at multiple channels at a time. To do that, you just go back to the list of the devices and then select the new device. And that's going to bring that device into the playback and then bring up its own time bar. Now, if you look closely to the time bar, you can see there's 4 different color indications. There's the regular blue for the recording, and then there is orange to show the alarm that you previously set up in settings, and red for bookmark, and then a bright blue for smart VCA events if it's a smart VCA equipped camera. This camera is a FE9191, so there's another trick you can do is to extend the right panel. It's a similar panel in live view, so you can make changes to the display cells. So for this fisheye camera, you can go down to the fisheye dewarp and then dewarp inside playback, just like that. Then lastly, you can export this video by clicking on the export button. Now export works on a single channel, meaning that you can only export one channel at a time. You can either export them by inputting the time, or you can move the time bar at the bottom. The export file will be in a .tar file. We'll talk about how you can play the exported video in the next section.